I'm going to show you how to register a recorder to SmartViewer. So in SmartViewer, we're going to click the setup icon, go to device, and we have two options. We can add automatically, where the system goes out and searches for an NVR, or add manually. Add manually, we're going to tell it what type of device, a DVR or an NVR, and then you put in the IP address of the device and all of the ports and usernames and passwords. You don't need to bother putting in a specific model number. All the models listed are older models. Typically, you're going to use the add automatically, where it goes out and scans the network, and we can then just select my recorder, type in my username and my password. It automatically knows the port that it needs for that. It's recommended to then hit connection test and verify that the username and password and IP address is right, that your computer can communicate to that device, and then hit register. And you'll see in the back, there it is. If you need to register additional devices with the same password, you can select the next recorder and hit connection test and then register. Now you'll see there are my two devices. If I need to make a change down the road, I can select one and click modify, and I can make changes if I need. Now the titles, the names of the recorders haven't come in yet. That will come once we connect them the first time. And if you select this option here, apply camera title, it will then use the names you've already titled everything. The other last step you want to do is you always want to create a group and then select your devices and move them to your group. You can select multiple devices using the Shift or Control key on your keyboard. If you need to rename your group, you're going to hit the F2 key on the keyboard. And then you can exit out of the setup menu. You'll see your devices listed in the drop-down for the connection. You want to make sure you always select the group and not the individual device. And then you hit connect. And selecting the group allows you to be able to connect to cameras from multiple recorders at a time. It also allows you to use the favorites option, where you can configure what cameras are viewed in which pattern. The first time you connect, it takes an extra minute because it's downloading all the camera titles and information from that recorder.